Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're at Integrate 2018. I'm in the Barco section of the Barco booth that has all to do with wireless presentation and collaboration with Marc Remond, who is the head of sales for the Asia Pacific region for Barco. Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, I'm fine. How are you, Gary?
I'm excited about the show. I know you're excited about the show. You've got a neat theater set up over here where you're demonstrating really more than wireless presentation and wireless sharing. We're kind of moving into collaboration. We're going to get to that in just a second. But tell us a little bit about, kind of give us an update on where we are. Everyone knows Barco for the ClickShare, and you recently debuted WeConnect. Kind of give us a state of the industry right now.
Yeah, sure. So visitors can come to Integrate and have a look and experience Barco meeting experience in several ways. They can obviously come to the Barco booth. They can also make their way to the AVD booth, our distributor here. They'll be able to experience our entire enterprise and education solution portfolio, including an integration with the Logitech Smart Dock, which is a Skype room system. Visitors also can come to the UC Pavilion, where we're located right now. I will be sharing, 8 recommendations on how to transit to the digital workplace around collaboration technology. They can finally come to the Barco Adult Spaces, which is a free meeting space powered by Barco ClickShare.
Yeah, and of course this whole button made Barco famous for the ClickShare. It's become not only just a volume product for Barco, but also a very unique product. You sort of started an industry of wireless sharing, but it's gone from just button wireless sharing to more collaboration in a lot of different ways with the partnerships you've done, but also the product line has gone from simple wireless sharing to more system-based collaboration, wouldn't you say?
Definitely. So what we want to do is we want to extend that wireless presentation experience, that seamless experience to the collaboration space. So we have 2 key partnerships. We have a partnership with Logitech where we can inject the ClickShare content into the Skype room system. And also a partnership with Zoom, whereby the ClickShare content can also be injected into the Zoom room systems. And for those who are using Cisco or Polycom video conference endpoints, we also have a technical guide on how to do the integration.
Yeah, and so that takes everything to the next level, because now we're talking about not just adding wireless sharing and collaboration to a room, but you're talking about building a room around it. Obviously, people are sort of curious about what the future is going to be with this technology. You were, and I believe still are, the first company that's doing wireless 4K sharing in a system environment, right? There's some individual products out there, but you're doing with the 800 specifically, the CSE 800. You're sort of build a whole system in a box with that product. But where will we see this in the future, and where does WeConnect come into play there? Because here you have a big university audience.
So we have definitely a different type of products for different room environments and spaces with different capabilities up to 4K, as you mentioned. Definitely WeConnect is a cloud-based solution for collaborative learning. I think you can expect some additional capabilities coming up from WePresent as well in the classroom connected to WeConnect. But also what we're showing today is a step towards collaboration. So we have a new software update on ClickShare called Touchback, which enables you from a touchscreen to actually control your entire computer connected with a button.
Right. So basically, if you have a touchscreen or a collaboration display in the room, all the annotation and any sort of control you'd be doing of the software would actually appear on the laptop screen as well of all the devices connected to the system.
It's basically getting full control of your laptop and the applications on your laptop. So you can launch PowerPoint, control PowerPoint slides, annotate, save all the files on your PC. You don't need to invest in a expensive display that has a Windows operating system inside. Right. It's easier for IT to manage user devices than room devices.
So instead of using a collaboration board, you can just use any interactive display that has touch capabilities.
Exactly, yeah.
And you turn it into a collaboration board that way.
Correct. The processing power and all the applications come from the user's laptop.
Yeah, and that's new. That's in the new software update that just was released for ClickShare. And you sort of intimated the future is going to involve WePresent. And of course, WePresent was a separate company, and now they're rolled into Barco. Can you tell us a little bit about that, or give us sort of an insight into that?
Well, I think we present for Asia Pacific, there are two markets that are ideal for it. Definitely the education space, right? Classroom, so primary, secondary, and higher education, definitely. But also in the small and medium enterprise space as well, which require probably a sub $1,000 wireless presentation and collaboration system. So this is an ideal product for this region in particular.
Yeah, and of course AVD is your distributor here, and but you know we're going to go around and actually shoot videos on all the product stations, not just the collaboration products. I know that you have a love for that because that's the industry you're passionate and inside of. But we're going to also look at all the products here. You've got a Unicy wall set up over there. You've got your new F-Series projectors over there, and of course 4K is big everywhere around the world, and you've got your new line there. So all you have to do is type in Barco in the video search window. Mark, congratulations on your success, not just for Barco, but also for yours personally. And keep watching. We got a lot to cover for the next 3 days.